Hello friends, welcome to Crispy Crunchy Cooking. So today we are taking you to the streets of Korea and we are making their famous street food, which is made of rice flour or rice powder, and these are called spicy rice cakes, and the main ingredient is the gochujang sauce, which is made of red chili powder, and if you don't have that you can use Szechuan sauce. And to add the balance of the spices we add some sweetness in it. तो आज हम कोरिया का फेमस स्ट्रीट फूड बनाने जा रहे हैं, जो बहुत ही इजी है और जल्दी से बन जाता है. स्वीटनेस भी है उसमें और स्पाइसी भी है. सो you'll find it very tempting and very appealing. So let's have a look. We have taken 1 cup of rice flour and we'll add salt. Okay, and so we have boiled the water, and with this boiling water we'll knead the dough. Friends, we'll add this boiling water and we'll knead a very soft dough with this. Okay, so friends, we have knead the dough. Okay friends, we will roll it out like this. Okay, and now we will cut them into equal parts. Okay, we have made so many, and now we will cook them in the boiling water. When they will get cooked, they will start floating on the water. Okay, we can steam them also, but generally it is made by boiling them in water. Okay, they will get cooked, they will start floating. Okay, so friends, see, they have started floating and it's almost 10 to 12 minutes. Now we will put them in cold water. This is jet cold water from the freezer. You have to put them inside. Okay, so friends, we have taken 1 tablespoon oil and we have taken this chopped garlic. Okay, that should become a little brown. Wow, garlic has such an awesome fragrance. And now we'll add green onions, chopped green onions. And this is yellow and red bell pepper. It's very easy to make and very tasty also. Friends, we'll add salt. Okay, and now we will add Szechuan sauce. Actually, gochujang sauce is being used. If you don't have, you can put this. This is also very chili and very spicy. And besides this, the other sauces which we are using, we will add soya sauce in it. Okay, then tomato sauce. Okay, and then we will add vinegar. Okay, mix them nicely, all of them together. A little bit of coriander leaves, and now we will add water. Okay. Friends, now take them out from the cold water and put them in the boiling tteok over here. Let the gravy become a little thick. Started becoming thick. Let it become more thick. Okay. So it has become thick now. It's almost done, and now we will garnish it with green onions, coriander leaves, and the most important, the sesame seeds. Sesame seeds look so good in it. Okay, so our tasty, wow, yummy rice cakes are ready. You can add sugar also, but I am adding a little bit of honey. Okay, so it's very spicy and sweet and very yummy, delicious. So friends, now we will dish it out. Okay, wow, it's so tasty, and it's sweet and spicy because Szechuan sauce is very spicy. So if you add a little sugar or honey, it will become very tasty. Okay, we will garnish it with coriander leaves, green onions. Wow, I can't wait to relish it. And now some sesame seeds. Wow, what a beautiful texture. Don't you feel like eating it right now? So friends, just relish it. Wow, it's so tasty. Oh, so yummy, so tasty. Look at the color, the sesame seeds, the green onions, and the rice cakes. They all are looking so tasty. It's so healthy and so easy to make. You can make in 10 minutes only. So tell me in the comment how you like this. We'll meet next again. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Thanks for watching.